What is going on, hustlers? Welcome back into Hustlepedia. Today we are going to be diving into the crypto gaming markets as always, and we are going to be taking a look at some projects that have some value today and some projects I want to go back over as far as some projects that still are undervalued in my opinion from previous videos. And then I want to dive into literally about 13 games, different crypto games. We're not talking about NFTs. We're not talking about like smart NFTs. We're not talking about gaming distribution platforms, anything like that. We're not talking about infrastructure. We're going to be talking about actual blockchain games. A ton of different blockchain games that A, are a little bit undervalued, B, have a great project coming up, projects that aren't even out yet. I want to keep your head on a swivel and make sure you know exactly what is around the corner, so whenever a project surfaces, you don't miss out. So let's go ahead and get into it here in this video. If you are new to the channel, be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button. We come out with brand new crypto gaming and altcoin videos here every single day on the channel, and be sure to like the video if you enjoyed the video and if you are bullish on crypto gaming just like I am. So let's go ahead and get into it. Go over a couple projects that I still think have a little bit of value today, and then let's go ahead and get into a bunch of different games that I am definitely interested in as far as right now, some games that I am invested in, and then I want to get into some projects in the future and really where blockchain gaming is right now and where it's heading. So Good Games Guild still at $8.9 million market cap. Even though the diluted's high, guys, there's only 1.29 million tokens in supply. Just keeping the market cap very low. Obviously, it's circulating supply times the price. And right now, there's no token unlocks for Good Games Guild until January 11th. If you do the math there, that's going to be running all through alt season, all through the crypto gaming bull run with this same supply. It's a little bit of a supply squeeze for Good Games Guild. It's getting a little bit of publicity. It's heating up in the markets. Over the last couple days, it has over 2x. We got in here on the channel right below $3, and it is already 2x. And this thing has a long way to go, in my opinion. With no token unlocks, I would expect to see Good Games Guild go a lot further. D-Race is once again up today and still at $168 million market cap. In my opinion, D-Race is just one of those good long-term plays backed by Animoca Brands and a ton of other legit backers, as well as the product they have forming right now. D-Race is hard at work as far as making sure that their horse racing metaverse is #1, and I believe in D-Race. And I think that D-Race, we will see a $10, $15 D-Race very, very soon. GameSwap. Guys, GameSwap is still massively undervalued, and I am telling you, they have big news coming up with these in-game assets. You are going to learn what game is going to be on their platform, and if you want to hear more about the tease on that, go check out the Syndicate, everything you need to know about the upcoming blockchain game, and see the connections between GameSwap and Syndicate. And also, I want to shout out Nifty X Protocol. Shroom is the ticker, and this is the protocol above GameSwap. It is building a decentralized protocol for NFT trading and minting, and GameSwap is right under Nifty X Protocol, and both of these have value, guys. We're sitting at a $38 million market cap on GameSwap, and on Nifty, we're sitting at a $24 million market cap. These projects are intertwined, and I think if they land the AAA game that they are hinting at, AAA game title with first-class visuals produced by a team of award-winning artists and engineers, FPS game part of an MMORPG, integrating GameSwap with metaverse building primitives. Everything that describes here, this is super bullish, and once they announce this, I think this is going to go parabolic for both GameSwap and Nifty X. Secondary shout out to Vulcan Forged. It is a bigger cap gaming dex, and this is a good investment, guys. If you want a little bit of a safer play without the potential gas fees, you can get this one on KuCoin, whereas GameSwap is really just on Uniswap. If you want a gaming dex exposure, higher market cap, I feel like there's a lot less maybe downside potential with Vulcan Forged because of where it's at, but Vulcan Forge is definitely another asset in the gaming dex realm that you can get involved in that I think does have great potential this upcoming bull run, as well as minimum downside. So if you don't want to get involved with GameSwap, or you don't want to deal with the gas fees, I think Vulcan Forge is definitely a good one to go with, as you can go to their gaming decks and they already have games here ready to launch. So I love that. And get into the bulk of the video, I want to go over literally, guys, about 13 different games that I am A, bullish on, B, invested in, or C, that are up and coming that I want you to be able to keep your eyes out on. For these token launches come around, you will be prepared, you will be following these projects, and you will be ready to go whenever these projects launch. Number one, we're going to talk about Illuvium. And Illuvium, sure, it's $1,000. You're saying, well, it's overpriced. Is it? I mean, it's a $724 million market cap. When you take a look at other projects like Axie Infinity at $8.75 billion market cap, in my opinion, Illuvium is a little bit undervalued. If you don't know, Illuvium is kind of like a 3D Pokemon mixed with an open world RPG adventure game. It is on the Ethereum blockchain, but I think Illuvium is going to be a powerhouse in crypto gaming. The graphics are so slick, and this is massively undervalued, guys. Just being straight up, there is a fat diluted market cap here. Beware. But if you look at the alt chart here, this thing has been an absolute machine, and it did just sell off a bit. There has been a little bit of dip from about 1296 down here to where it's currently at about 1127. But Illuvium is one of those, if you have in your bags, it is a very safe bet for major gains in alt season, as it is one of the major players and probably one of the most hyped games coming up on the blockchain. So I think Illuvium is definitely a great upside and minimum downside potential risk as far as an investment. SuperFarm, I'm heavy into SuperFarm just like I'm heavy into Illuvium. A lot coming up with both Imposters, Super Shotgun, as well as their partnership with Immutable X. They have a lot of different things around the corner. Things are going to go parabolic for SuperFarm very soon, especially when alt season comes around and this news does start surfacing. You know that Elio is going to do his best to market this project to its fullest, and I expect to see SuperFarm $3-4 plus here in the bull run without a doubt. Gala, and this is more of a safe bet as well. These first few are going to be more of your safe, if you want a minimum downside but a good upside potential, these first few projects are definitely for you. Gala Games is going to be hosting and building a bunch of different games. They're led by ex-Facebook and Zynga execs, and Gala is going to do good numbers here in the bull run. And at 700 million, Gala is technically the biggest blockchain game studio out there right now. So Gala is a very safe play with minimum downside once again if you want a bigger cap asset just to get exposure into the gaming realm. This is one of the more hype projects in the future as far as Mirandus. A lot of people are talking about Mirandus in the future from Gala, so that is one to look out for. Now let's get into starting to get into a little bit lower cap. This one's $290 million market cap. But I told y'all yesterday, I literally told you yesterday that this thing was undervalued around it was like $8.50 or $8.60 around the video. It's above $10. It's been hovering above $10 here all day long. And you take a look at Thetan Arena, Battle Royale game releasing on the 20th of this month, and tomorrow they are also having their Thetan box sale where you'll be able to get your Thetan box and be ready for the fire battles ahead. It's very simple, guys. A lot of people ask, how do I get involved in the Thetan Arena box sale? Guys, you literally just get BUSD in your Binance Smart Chain wallet, and it connects right on their platform. You make a profile, and you just buy. You can open your chest here. And you can see your hero right whenever you get it. So this is going to be awesome. I'm going to be participating. This is at 6 a.m. my time tomorrow. Try to get me a Thetan box at 6 in the morning. I'm going to get some coffee ready, and I'm going to try to get involved here and get a Thetan box and see what I can try to mint here as far as my new NFT item. As it was pretty mentioned that y'all would be interested in seeing the game whenever it comes out, Thetan Arena. So I could probably do some sort of review where, like, on the side, I'm playing the game on my phone and I'm kind of just talking over it in the play-to-earn mechanics, because I want to see the economy. How is the play-to-earn economy going to work? So I'm excited about this. I want to get involved in the Thetan box sales as well. And those are tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, 12 p.m. UTC. So if you just need to convert that to your time scale, 12 p.m. UTC is the time. And top gaming projects with a beta game release on Binance Smart Chain, you see firmly Thetan Arena here right in the mix. And still, guys, at $295 million market cap. Yes, it is relatively high, but this is $1 billion plus game without a doubt. The backers from this game have put out a successful Google Play App Store game with 5 million plus downloads. A mobile game taking over the crypto gaming mobile sector for the time being until other competitors come into the space. But I think that Thetan Arena has great first movers advantage as far as a quality, working, and proven game that they are rolling out on iOS and Android on November 20th. And let's get into the next project here. NFT Champions. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. NFT Champions, if you don't know this project, I've talked about it in a video in the past as well. Go check that out. $13 million market cap. And right now it's sitting at about 50 cents on about 5,000 watch lists. And guys, NFT Champions collect, train, and battle NFTs on the blockchain-based MMORPG built on the Unreal 4 engine. This is literally blockchain Pokemon. Everything about it looks exactly like Pokemon. And in my opinion, it all checks the boxes. The studios, the team behind NFT Champions, has worked on Final Fantasy, Fallout, as well as other projects in the past. It does have devs in the past from games like Halo and World of Warcraft as well. You can read all the details. You can check out all the graphics. Everything looks so slick from NFT Champions, and their marketing campaign, like I mentioned, picks up later this month. They're going to be releasing more gameplay. And let's just say there will be maybe some centralized exchange listings coming up for NFT Champions. So be on the lookout for that. IOI token, guys. IOI, I'm really bullish on Trade Race Manager 2, the IOI metaverse. They are coming out with a full-blown racing metaverse in their V2 game, and they are looking to really change the scope of racing games. They have really clean NFT cars. The gameplay is going to be vamped up. There's literally going to be a full-blown metaverse. It literally looks like kind of like a GTA racing type. It's like a GTA mixed with a Midnight Club when you look at their stills and their video footage of the metaverse they're building. And I thought this was really funny. Honey, I saw a $31,000 charge on your credit card to OpenSea. Did you book a cruise? Me. Blue Storm, the IOI car. And then you take a look. It's 15,000 IOI in value, but the race winnings per day is 374 IOI value. Guys, max race winnings per day is 1,800 IOI. You could be earning $3,600 per day with the Blue Storm car. So the earning potential inside of the IOI economy is lucrative. This is one of the main reasons I am super bullish on IOI. Once they do start ramping up their marketing as well, they're at a $20 million market cap, guys. This thing is a very healthy entry to get involved as well at about 287. IOI is my favorite racing game on the blockchain right now, and I think that they are a little undervalued here at about $20 million market cap. Cryowar has really settled down, guys. I mentioned it on the other day before it went live to watch out for this one. And if you caught your entry down here whenever it like really dipped, congratulations, because obviously it dipped to like 140, and then it really surged up here to, you know, it was really at about 240 on KuCoin, and then it kind of dipped back down again. Right now it's kind of consolidated at $1.95. This market cap right now is only at about 40 million with the circulating supply, and in my opinion, Cryowar really looks sharp and is undervalued at $40 million market cap. It is like the League of Legends mobile on the Solana blockchain. In my opinion, the graphics look super slick. They're getting a lot of attention on social media, and if you just take a look at everything that they are putting out, this is, for example, footage of their game. It literally looks like a League of Legends type of game, and it will be mobile integrated, and it will be playable on PC as well. I really like Cryowar as well. I think this is a $100 million plus market cap game, especially once more hype nears, once they release more gameplay, etc. So I do see a lot of potential out of Cryowar as well this coming bull run. And I'm super bullish on every single game we've talked about, and I am invested in every single project we have talked about in this video. For full disclosure, I am not an investment advisor, but I am just kind of going over my favorite blockchain games across the entire spectrum, from top to bottom, from high market cap to low market cap. I am invested in every single one of these gaming projects. These are just my top blockchain games, guys. I am personally invested in every single one of these projects we have talked about in today's video, and personally, I am super bullish on every single one of these projects in this bull run. These are some of the top games across different spectrums, across the AAA, across mobile, across just the simplicity, the play to earn turn-based games that are just out there now to be played and have good economies, the racing games. There's so many different style games you can get involved in right now that I do think have a lot of potential here in Q4, especially with games like Thetan Arena, which are literally releasing on November 20th. If there's a news sell on November 20th for the game launch, there's a lot of time in alt season for that thing to pick right back up and run right back up again. So keep that in mind. I'm super bullish on all of those games as far as investment potential here in Q4. I think that these have a lot of X's behind them to go, and I look forward to the bull run ahead with these crypto games. And I want to discuss some games, guys. Keep your ears to the wall. You don't want to miss these next 5 or 6 games I want to discuss, their launches, and I want to cover each of them real quick. Monkeyball is a quick turn-based play-to-earn arcade soccer game with a AAA gaming experience. Matches are played between 2 teams, each with 4 monkeys playing positions of scorer, defender, midfielder, and goalkeeper. With 6 rounds of play per half, the first team to 3 goals wins. Back at your HQ, boost monkeys' abilities and in-game performance by carrying and trading for them, as well as increasing their morale. And you take a look at Monkeyball, it just looks super clean. The graphics in their trailer look awesome. They have a clear roadmap as well, and everything about Monkeyball checks all the boxes in my opinion. And Monkeyball looks to be that first play-to-earn style soccer game, and I think they have that market right in their hands. Phantom Galaxies, you do not want to miss when Phantom Galaxies drops their NFTs eventually, and as well their token. Keep an eye out for Phantom Galaxies space action shooter with like mech style characters, so keep an eye out for Phantom Galaxies. This is backed by Animoca Brands and Blowfish. We'll take a look at Sipher. Is an ambitious casual fighting and exploration game with an in-game goal of creating an open world social experience built on the Ethereum blockchain. This is backed by Alameda Research, and if you don't know, Alameda Research is a Sam Bankman-Fried connection. They are also backed by Dragonfly Capital, Yield Guild, amongst others. So very strong backing here for Sipher, and Sipher's getting a lot of good attention already on social media. 65,000 followers, 3D live action RPG, PvE, and PvP blockchain game. And this is another one you have to keep on your list. BigTime is a multiplayer action RPG that makes collectible NFTs accessible to everyone. This will be one of the bigger future multiplayer action RPG economies. If you look into the ambition and everything that they are announcing, all of the developments in their universe inside of BigTime, it is all bullish. And then you take a look at their team. It's one of the more highly vetted teams across all of blockchain gaming. And this team has been accounted for. They are all doxed. And you have Pioneered NFTs founder at Decentraland.org, Pioneered MMO and social games at EA and Zynga, the creators of Farmland. We have lead artists from Fortnite and Gears of War. We have lead level designers from Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Call of Duty Ghost, Overwatch 2, Blade Runner, God of War, World of Warcraft, Medal of Honor. There's so much tenured experience on the BigTime team, and this is one of those projects that you need to be involved with when this comes out. And BigTime, both their in-game economy and their token will be a very bullish play in the future. And then I want to cover this. Tom Henderson is a very credible source across AAA gaming, not blockchain gaming. Writer at VGC News, IGN, and Real Gaming Intel, 100,000 followers. All the top gaming projects he does kind of cover, especially when it comes to first-person shooters. World's first AAA free-to-play NFT first-person shooter detail, released in 2023, competitive FPS, but similar to Escape from Tarkov, which is a super popular game. At its core, the goal is to join a map, loot weapons and gear, and extract successfully. Items you successfully extract can hold in in-game marketplaces for the game's own cryptocurrency. The game also has a unique map creator where people can create their own unique EFT-like maps. It's Escape from Tarkov-like maps. Creators of these maps will get rewarded with the game's crypto the more their map is played. Devs on the project have worked on games like Halo, The Division, and Call of Duty. Although it will be free to play, there will be subscription-based options. You can subscribe to the game for a fee of $10 to $20, which will give you staking rewards, NFT drops, and the ability to organize tournaments and more. So essentially, the game is Escape from Tarkov with competitive elements, a map creator, and the ability to make money from extracting items. The rarer and better, the more crypto you can make. So that is a very bullish update. And this is exactly what I've been telling you on this channel for months now, that blockchain gaming is the future. All these FPS AAA studios will be getting involved. Even though a lot of them are just continuing on their trail on normal AAA gaming, these little projects that are going to be popping up, like that one that Tom Henderson is talking about, those are going to be the ones that are testing the waters in play to earn and in-game ownership and real asset ownership for the players, and the shift of economies that we're going from traditional gaming models to play to earn and real asset ownership on the blockchain in-game. Sidus is the result of the biggest collaboration in the NFT space. It is a AAA level RPG game based on blockchain and crypto philosophy. I am super bullish on this one, guys, and this one won't come out for a while, but No Man's Sky inspired play-to-earn NFT game made by Play Display, NFT Stars, and NFT 256. Their NFT heroes are live on OpenSea, guys, and they're going at a floor price of 0.29, so the Sidus NFT heroes are doing well. I'm looking out for this one. This one is going to be a very, very solid project, so keep your eye out for Sidus. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, Sidus. guys. So correct me if I'm wrong. MetalCore. MetalCore is one in the future to definitely watch out for, and do not miss this one. This one is going to be groundbreaking. NFT-based open-world mechanized combat game built on the blockchain where you fight alongside your faction in territorial battles on a mineral-rich alien planet. Built by an award-winning veteran team of developers and designers, it is the first truly massively multiplayer combat game to be built on blockchain technology with play to earn and win dynamics. And just to show you, this game's graphics, guys, look absolutely polished, look absolutely clean, and MetalCore, their team is as legit as it gets. It is composed of former devs from Activision, Disney, Lucasfilms, so this project is backed by legitimate developers that have worked on big-time AAA projects, as you can read here as well. Former Activision, Disney, and Lucasfilms devs reveal NFT-powered game, and that is MetalCore. So those are some games coming up, guys, that I just want you to keep your eyes out for. Don't get blindsided when these hit the market and do majorly well, and you miss it, right? We want to make sure that you get involved in these projects as early as possible. We're talking about all of those unreleased projects as their projects near, as their token launches near. As always, I will keep y'all in the loop as close to the vest as possible on this gaming information and these game releases as far as their tokens. So those are a bunch of games to look out for in the future. In general, guys, I'm just super bullish on Illuvium, Thetan Arena, SuperFarm, NFT Champions, IOI. You could go down the entire list. Every project here in this video is a part of my gaming stack and is a part of my gaming portfolio that I am putting together for this massive bull run where I look to get explosive gains in my gaming portfolio. I'm very deep in the gaming crypto world, and most of my portfolio is comprised of gaming cryptos, and these are my favorite games, right? I have a ton of gaming infrastructure projects, and that's definitely where most of my portfolio as far as gaming is. Gaming infrastructure is the backbone, right? But right now, these games are exploding. These games are up and coming, and I think in this bull run, you're going to see a lot of gains with this little mix of gaming projects. So do your own research. As always, I am not an investment advisor, but these are my favorite games for explosive gains from high cap to low cap projects in the Q4 bull run and in this crypto gaming bull run that we are about to get into, guys. You thought the metaverse pump that Zuckerberg put out was crazy? Wait until alts start flipping like pancakes. Start seeing 2, 5, 10x's on some of these projects, and you are going to be absolutely mind blown. And make sure to take profits along the way. Do not be the one holding the bag for the whales who eventually dump the market. You want to make out of this bull run like a bandit with profits, and we'll talk about exit strategies more in future videos. I also have exit strategy videos on this channel, so if you need to check those out, go ahead and do that. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto gaming videos every single day. Like the video if you enjoyed the video. I'll be back tomorrow. As always, did recently just open up our private Discord server, guys. That link for the Patreon is down below. That will gain you private Discord access, but our Telegram chat blew up so quickly that people were demanding a private group, and that private group is sharing a ton of value. If you want to get involved in a group of like-minded investors, serious investors, and get some crypto gaming information before the masses, check out that private Discord link as well, and check out the perks for each level. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, guys. Stay bullish, keep hustling. Peace.